Virtual
and
and
remote
remote laboratories.
laboratories. Virtual and remote 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 laboratories.
One of 10 emerging educational technologies, according to Inform ED, are virtual and remote laboratories. Based on what the Horizon reports show, more than what technologies are rising to the top is that countless of educators are making the move creatively.
One of the 10 emerging educational technologies, according to Informed, are virtual and remote laboratories. Based on what the Horizon reports show, more than what technologies are rising to the top is that countless of educators are making the move. One of 10 emerging educational technologies, according to Inform ED, are virtual and remote laboratories. Based on what the Horizon reports show, more than what technologies are rising to the top is that countless of educators are making the move creatively.
Virtual and remote laboratories reflect the current trend in K through 12 education toward more authentic online education. Though technology is 4 to 5 years away from mainstream use in schools, the benefits of implementation are already clear. Virtual and remote labs offer flexibility as students can run experiments as many times as they like, both in and out of school. Because these labs are designed to allow for every repetition of experiments, students feel less pressure to execute perfectly the first time. In the controlled environments of these labs, students are safe even if they make an error. Virtual and remote labs are used for chemistry, marine biology, and mathematics. Chemistry. Dr. David Yoron, Associate Professor of Chemistry at Carnegie Mellon University, developed Chem Collective, a project of the National Science Digital Library, to create flexible, interactive learning environments in which high school students can approach chemistry more like practicing scientists. The Chem Collective is a collection of virtual labs, scenario-based learning activities, tutorials, and concept tests. Teachers can use the content for pre-labs, for alternatives to textbook homework, and for in-class activities for individuals or teams. Students can review and learn chemistry concepts using virtual labs, simulations, and tutorials. The Chem Collective is organized by a group of faculty and staff at Carnegie Mellon who are interested in using, assessing, and creating engaging online activities for chemistry education. Marine biology, or the study of life in the oceans. In Laskil, Sweden, high school students use virtual tools to explore the marine environment of Gomar Ford on the Swedish west coast, learning in the process how scientific knowledge is created. The students use a virtual ocean acidification laboratory to conduct studies on the acidification of the marine environment. Mathematics. High school students in North Carolina are using Geometer's Sketchpad to understand how theorems are developed. The software is accessed through North Carolina State University's Virtual Computing Lab, a cloud-based learning environment with an interactive online community where teachers share tips on the software used as well as the projects undertaken. Technology has definitely come a long way. The word computer was hardly used in our daily vocabulary in the 1970s. Today, computers are a means of our daily lives. It's how we interact with each other, how we find information, and how we do most jobs. Most importantly, technology is the way of education.